How to schedule breaks on TikTok app easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to schedule breaks on TikTok app. So let's get started. If you want to schedule breaks after 1 hour or 30 minutes on TikTok, if you want to get more productive or study, or if you want to limit yourself in using TikTok, so you can do that. First, what you have to do is you will open up your profile. It will take you right here. You have to click on the menu option, which is these three lines at the top right corner. Click on setting and privacy. It will take you right here. So you have to scroll down to content and display, and in this section we have digital well-being, so you have to select this one. Now we have our screen time, and you can see daily screen time and screen time breaks. So this is the way to take breaks from the app. So I'm going to select this option, and you're going to click on schedule break. You can select 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30, or custom time. So I can go with 30 minutes, or I can actually add a custom time as well. For example, 1 hour. So I'm going to click on done. And now I have scheduled a break from this app after 1 hour. So this is how you do it, or we can schedule for like 30 minutes, I guess. And this is how you can schedule breaks on TikTok app. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.